Hello everyone. This application is all about auto confirm of the purchase order. This module gives the feature to create a purchase order or the RFQ from the sale order module. So when we create a sale order module, automatically a purchase order will be created, and from that we will be able to attach the mail automatically of that particular PDF and will be shared with the vendor or the supplier. This is for Odoo 17 enterprise version, and now I will show how this application will be working. So first we need to go to the inventory module. Under the inventory we need to go to the configuration and routes. Clicking on routes, this replenish on order MTO will be archived. So you need to unarchive this particular routes. And once this is unarchived, then we need to go to the sales products. So in this particular product, we have created a new product called test with zero on hand quantity. And here in the inventory tab, you need to tick this particular boolean, that is routes replenish on order MTO. So once all this configuration has been completed, then I'll go to the sale order, that is sale quotation, and I'll create a new sale order for that particular product. So I will select the customer. I will add a product as test with on hand quantity will be 0, and here you can see there is a description and quantity I will add 5, and unit of measurement and unit place I will add 500, and taxes or every information will be added up here, and I will click on save. So once the sale order is saved, I will just click on confirm of this particular quotation. So once I confirm this quotation, this it will move to the sale order, and here you can see there is a delivery and a purchase order will be created. So these are the smart buttons for in this particular screen. So one delivery order and one purchase order will be created. Clicking on this particular purchase order, this will take you to the purchase order, and this is already confirmed, that is it was moved into the purchase order. And once this all information is validated, you can click on this send PO by email button. Once clicking on this, you will be able to see the recipient, subject, everything, and the PDF will be attached automatically of this particular purchase order. Clicking on this particular PDF, all the information which will be inside that particular purchase order will be coming up here with the description, taxes, and quantity with unit price and amount. Everything will be coming up automatically here, and you can just send it this to your supplier or the vendor. Here you will be able to see this all information will be gone to that particular supplier or a vendor. So this is regarding the auto confirm of the purchase order. If you have any query, then please note down and comment in the below query section. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.